Working with Linux, your system already has a package manager on it. In this case, I'm working with Ubuntu 20. To install MongoDB, all I need to do is go into the terminal. And inside the terminal, I'll type in sudo apt install MongoDB. I'll give it my password. I'll hit Y for do I want to continue, and it will install it for me. This might take a few minutes, so I will come back when it's finished. Now that we've successfully installed Mongo, we need to know how to run it. Now in this particular installation, it has set it up so that it will start and stop automatically with the operating system, but let's just check on it. I'll click on the terminal once again, and I'm going to check the service. I'll type in sudo systemctl status MongoDB. I'll type in my password, and it will tell me that it is currently running. If I wanted to stop it for whatever reason, I could do sudo systemctl stop MongoDB, and that will stop it, so I can check it again. Let's see what the status is. And I can see that it's inactive, so it's not currently running. This time, though, I've got this prompt down here at the bottom, so I can't go type another command until I exit out of this one. So to get out of this, hit Q for quit. And now I'm back to my prompt. In order to start it again, I can do sudo systemctl start MongoDB. So it's pretty straightforward. Sudo systemctl can start, stop, and even restart MongoDB. So I'll start it back up again. Let's check the status, and I can see it's running again. So this is ready and accepting connections, and you can move on to the next section. If you found value in this video, if you learned something new, help me out with a like and subscribe. For more videos on software development and DevOps from a developer's perspective, check us out at maddevskills.com or on Twitter @devskills.